Hello, hello. Welcome to Top Shelf Reviews Mini Monday. Today we're cracking open this bottle of Still Austin Rye. This is the Artist, coming in at 98.6 proof. It's their straight rye whiskey. I do like their cask strength bourbon. Not a huge fan of a lot of other Texas whiskeys, but I do enjoy ryes. Let's give it a try. Kind of a buttery spice on the nose. Kind of grassy notes. Some sweetness in there. Ooh. Very anise forward. Sweet black licorice. A little bit of like green apple in there. That is really nice. Let's see how old it is. If they even say. It's straight, so it's got to be at least 2. I don't see it noted on there. Might just be missing it. Oh, age at least 2 years. Yeah. That is really nice. Don't recall what I paid for this, but at $50 or less a bottle, probably a pretty good pickup. Proof seems like a really nice point. Not overly hot, flavorful, without a lot of burn. So kudos. Fantastic pour. Very happy with that one. For more information on Still Austin and the other whiskeys you see on this channel, visit TopShelfBackpacking.com. And until I see you again, cheers.